Elizabeth. This is our first time seeing the red-bellied woodpecker because it is not native to California. At the Arnold Arboretum of Harvard University, we were very excited to see it and followed it for 2 days. It doesn't seem bothered by our presence as long as we don't make sudden moves. It's interesting to see it searching for arthropods and insects under tree barks, dangling upside down while using its long tongue to pull out the food. It doesn't tap into the tree trunk for sap, but wouldn't resist drinking from existing sap pools created by sap-suckers. It is important for the health of our ecological system because its foraging behavior saves the forests. In addition, it makes holes in decaying or dead trees, provides shelters for other birds and animals, which also helps our ecosystem in balance.